Alright, let's get real about creatine. If you're a health enthusiast like me, you've probably heard a lot about this supplement. Some good, some bad, and some that sound straight out of a sci-fi movie. Today I'm breaking down the truth. Does creatine boost your health, or does it sneakily up your cancer risk? First off, what actually is creatine? It's a substance your body makes naturally, mostly in your liver and kidneys, and you get it from foods like red meat and fish. But athletes take it as a supplement because it powers up your muscles, especially for short, intense bursts. Think sprinting or weightlifting. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, cancer. There's been chatter online. Some people claim creatine could be linked to cancer. But here's what the science really says. There's no solid evidence that creatine causes cancer in healthy people. Most of these rumors started with old studies on rats, where scientists overloaded them with crazy high doses of creatine. We're talking way more than even the most hardcore gym goer would ever take. In fact, dozens of human studies, some lasting months, others even years, haven't found any link between normal creatine use and cancer. The World Health Organization and major health agencies haven't flagged creatine as a cancer risk for the average person. So, if you're healthy and taking reasonable doses, creatine isn't something to fear. But let's keep it real. No supplement is totally risk-free. Creatine can cause some mild side effects. Think bloating, stomach cramps, or water retention. If you've got kidney issues or take certain medications, always talk to your doctor before starting any supplement, including creatine. On the flip side, creatine might actually be good for more than just gym gains. Some research suggests it could boost brain power, support healthy aging, and even help with certain neurological conditions. Pretty cool, right? So, here's my bottom line. Creatine is one of the most studied supplements out there. Used correctly, it's safe for most healthy people and packs some real benefits. Don't let myths hold you back, just be smart, do your homework, and always listen to your body. Smash that like if you learned something new, and drop your questions below. I love hearing from you.